Good morning. I am at Camp Solitude 2. This is Sugar Loaf. So it's a little bit different than Long Draw, which was Solitude 1. Still, I'm pretty much the only guy here. I think there's a guy that camped down there a few sites over. It's quite different. This is a valley instead of being at the top of a mountain. Not nearly as windy. It got just as cold last night. It got down to 28 degrees. But since we don't have that many trees and the wind of the top of a mountain, it warms up quicker. So, and trees here, the mountain over there has so big trees and all that, and they seem to have pretty good ratio of healthy to dead. But that mountain over there, all the trees are dead, and there too, they're wintering. Some of them are actual perennial trees. And here also there's an abundance of this type of pine tree, the one with longer leaves, not the long leaf like we have in North Carolina, but this medium, let's call them the medium leaf, and they are yellowish, where the ones that you see more at the top of a mountain and on the hills are like these, the really short leaf, greenish blue or bluish green, and really this is a classic Christmas tree. So you can see the difference in the leaf between that and that. And these ones, some of them have a really smooth trunk, and some of them don't. So you see the main one there. Okay. And this one over here is similar, pretty much the same type of leaves, but this one has bark. It's that rough trunk, and that one too. But the one down there has just a smooth trunk. And here we have a dead one from the bug, and it has a smooth trunk. A lot of these are very young, as can be seen here. They're short and all that, so they're probably replants or regrowth. Maybe this area was burned long ago. There are definitely a lot of tree stumps, which means they were cut, and they have burn marks on them and termites and stuff. So this might be a regrowth, which spared several of these at one point, but some of them didn't survive. That one looks like it's being affected too, as it's browning. Also with this type of pine tree, some of them, the leaf is all perky and up, and some of them, they tend to be droopy. And so there seem to be different trees. See, like this one over here, they're all perky. This one, they're all perky, that one too. But this one over here looks like the little branches are longer, and it tends to become droopier. And that one has a little bit of bark. I don't know if it eventually loses it as it grows, but the young one I saw a minute ago doesn't have any, so maybe from the get-go. So here I am enjoying these. I'm gonna try to wash some dishes and do some, maybe a little bit of laundry, minor laundry with all these beautiful waters here. I think I saw a bear track over here yesterday. Here that was a dog with huge nails. It was somewhere around here. Let's see if I can find it again. But anyway, another day here. I had breakfast already, coffee, And relaxing, I'm probably gonna go for a bike ride in that. Oh, there it is. Did you see that? That's a little bit bigger than the dog. It's got an odd shape. There's another one there. So it is interesting that 1, 2, 3, 4 toes. It was a big ass dog, or maybe a bear, who knows. This is another one here. This is more like a hoof. But it has claws. As you can see, it has a claw. So that's pretty weird. Type of footprint. And here's another one. I think that's bear. He's got a claw, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, and it's pretty big. There's another one there. Wherever it is, it's pretty heavy. Anyway, here's another beautiful tree. See how this shows the very nice bluish green or greenish blue. What are you gonna call it? Meanwhile, those other ones are more. The branches are more sparse. Look at that one. That looks like a baby Christmas tree over there. And then there's one over here that is radically different. And let me see if I can find it. Anyway, I need to put the solars out. And be able to collect some power. Yesterday I got here late, so I could only collect like up to 92% capacity. Let me see if I can get back to 100 today. I have full day, and there's a lot more sunlight in this campground than up there in Long Branches. So we'll see. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Make the waters of the Williams Fork take you all over its course. Ceniza a la ceniza, del polvo al polvo, que las aguas del Williams Fork te lleve por todo el curso. Es un